So what did you do at work today? Chances are good that on this Cyber Monday there was some point, click, and buy going on. A record-breaking $1.5 billion worth of merchandise is expected to have been ordered online today, and no one ships more orders than Amazon. It's a company known for its competitiveness and its secrecy. But ABC's Neil Karlinsky was allowed inside to see the Amazon magic.
This is what the inner world of Amazon looks like on Cyber Monday. Capitalism on parade. Nightline was invited in for a rare glimpse at one of its 80 huge fulfillment centers strategically sprinkled around the globe.
Look down the aisle here. That's a lot of stuff.
To find out what happens when you point, click, and buy, a process that follows miles of conveyor belts inside a massive building like this. But first, an experiment.
They say this is the hot video game. I'm going to order it.
We place an order, Just Dance 4. If all goes according to plan, we'll follow it from the shelf to my doorstep.
Let's go see if it shows up in here.
This 1.2 million square foot Amazon warehouse is the unseen shopping mall that never closes.
It occurs to me it's kind of funny. It's sort of like Noah's Ark.
We watch as my order pops up on a scanner, gets plucked from a shelf by hand, and then dropped into a barcoded yellow bin.
This is the one you bought.
I mean, this is literally mine.
That will arrive at your house in a couple days.
The Amazon people let us draw a smiley face on our bin so we can follow it on a wild ride through a winding
Montana camera.
You quickly learn walking the aisles here that Amazon is barcode heaven. Everything has a code to find it, to ship it, to track it. But how can they have everything from medieval chainmail to clock oil and binocular magnifying glasses on hand at all times? Only part of the answer is huge inventory. The other part comes from small business owners like Dan O'Donnell, whose tiny jewelry supply store, which sells that clock oil, has exploded by selling through Amazon, meaning their stuff shows up on Amazon's website. And Amazon.
I don't even know what this is.
But despite the huge inventory and third-party sellers, Amazon still can't guarantee the lowest prices, so consumers are urged to shop around. Meanwhile, our happy yellow bin shows up right on cue.
It's traveled about a mile since we saw it last, and now it's nearing the end.
As it is pulled off and boxed, we add a message inside just to make sure what shows up really is the same item.
All right, I'll see this at home.
48 hours later,
here it is.
A box was sitting on my doorstep.
Crack it open. And there's our game. And it's our message. Happy holidays from ABC News.
They may call it Cyber Monday, but at Amazon, it never ends. I'm Neil Karlinsky for Nightline in Phoenix.